Hello, my friend. I'm Sahel. I'm painter. We want to start a new style of hyperrealism together. Learn how to draw a portrait with charcoal by modeling the form and adding the details of the face. First, I show the tools and explained what they are. We used hard and soft brushes. With these brushes, soft and stain-free shadows are created. I use a Faber-Castell charcoal pencil, hard. And electric eraser. It is our most important and practical tool. And mono zero pencil eraser and ordinary eraser pencils. I'm using blending stumps in my pencil drawing. I will teach you how to sharpen a pencil with a cutter. We can use a Staedtler pencil set is used for to create details and large brushes for large painting. um, Finally, I use win charcoal is layered and smudged to build up the value. I hope you will accompany me and your likes and comments will encourage me in this way. Thanks a lot, my friends.